Kyocera Printer MA 2001, that can be purchased for a small budget for every home and small office. See how this device works, and how to replace the toner. You probably received toner with the printer, but if you watch this video, you already know that the toner has a very low yield, and runs out after a few days. A new toner is enough for 1,500 prints or copies, so see how to replace it, so as not to damage this delicate copier. Did you know that this toner can be easily refilled and regenerated? Pour this toner into the cartridge and that's it.